Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Take Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create or how to add new Tumblr account on your existing Tumblr account on your mobile phone application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the Tumblr account for on the existing account. So you just need to open your Tumblr account first. Just click on the dot option on the top this, and you have this option called create new Tumblr account. Click on this. Now here you just need to name the Tumblr account. For an example, it's an example of Tumblr, so I just going to type as apple or something like food apple. Okay, so I just added a food apple here. Now it will be click on the save option, so it will be check if the name is available or not. So if it is available, it's created. So now our Tumblr account has been created. You can see it's untitled, description, background, asset, everything was new. Click on the save as edit preference. Now you can just post it. So you can just change or switch the Tumblr account just food apple and newbie. So you can see everything has been created as a new thing. So this is how you just easily create a new Tumblr account by using the existing Tumblr account. Click on the setting option. If you just need to check about your mail ID, click on the account setting, go to the email, and you can just here add a new mail, and you can just add change mail ID, whatever. This is how you just add more account on your Tumblr app. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.